What's going on, y'all? It's your boys Black and Los back with another banger.
Another one.
Today we got for y'all the chicken sandwich challenge. We went to 5 different spots and picked up 5 different chicken sandwiches. We got Popeyes, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and McDonald's. And we're gonna see who can figure out which sandwiches what.
So, this is how the rules go. Person's gonna be blindfolded who's eating them. You also have 2 bites. You have to have 2 bites and you can tell what's going on. Also, the loser, well, you'll see what happens to the loser at the end of the video, so watch to the end.
It's not gonna be me, I promise you. Alright, let's see who's going first, alright?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, I'll let you go first.
I guess I'm going first.
Yeah, take a seat, my friend, take a seat. Already got his sandwiches cut in half and prepared, ready for him. Do you need help with your blindfold, sir?
Pass me my blindfold, sir.
Let me see how.
You can just, if you do like 1, 2, right on the side.
I'm gonna put it right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, hold up. Securely on there. Can't see a thing.
Alright. You all set, my good friend?
Yes, sir.
Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right with you. Alright. Easy, grab your napkin, friend. For your sandwich, alright. What you gonna say we're gonna do first?
Shout out to all my anime people, you heard?
Your sandwiches, yes, sir. I got you. Put your hands up. I'm feeding this to you.
Okay, this is the first one?
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Don't sniff it, just take a bite, sir. That's 1. You know what it is? You got one more bite if you like to take it.
Take another one just to be sure.
Just to be sure? What's your guess for that one? You enjoyed that one, it looks like.
Nah, I don't know.
You can't tell? Oh, interesting. What's your last bite? Give me a sandwich. Give me the sandwich. Get out of here.
Damn. What the? That's Chick-fil-A.
That's your first guess? Chick?
Yes.
Okay.
That's Chick-fil-A, baby.
Okay.
I know my Chick-fil-A.
Respect. You should get this one too.
Took me a second. That was kind of crazy.
That was a little.
Yeah.
There you go, sir. It's a big boy right there.
Texture.
That's a big boy.
Okay, I got something in my head already. Let me see.
Big Montings, you heard?
Oh, this is BK.
You said BK?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
What? Yeah, like it.
That's BK, you heard me?
Yeah, like it.
I fuck with it. I like it. 2 bites though.
Let's see if that guess was right or not. It didn't take your time at all.
A little spice at that end, boy. What?
Was it? So you sure it was BK? There you go. You got another sandwich. You got another sandwich. They're too late. Too late.
Where that spice come from? No.
It's funny. Hey, talk to me. Damn.
This is BK.
That's BK?
Yeah.
You sure? So what was the last one?
Wendy's.
Wendy's? Alright, so you're switching it? That's the only switch you can do.
Yes. Okay. This is BK.
Okay, so give me this.
Other one's Wendy's. This is McDonald's, you hear me?
Wendy's. And then you said this one's BK?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting choice, all I have to say.
This is crazy though.
You can't tell.
It's
Right?
hard. It's really hard.
Number 4, sandwich number 4. How well you think you're doing so far? Don't, none of that. I gave you the paper for a reason, alright? You need to touch nothing but the
Damn, dog.
crazy.
All things like BK now. Damn.
Oh, we're grabbing on it too. Mm-hmm.
It's Popeyes.
That's Popeyes?
Yeah.
But, 1 second, I got you. Only took one bite too, it's interesting. Get that
It's a unique flavor.
This one is gonna be even more unique.
Muy diferente.
There you go, good sir. Oh, there you go, there you go. There was a lot of paper with that one, sorry. That was a big boy as well. Okay. What we talking about? you gonna need another bite? Oh my god.
Hold up.
Chill, bro, chill.
What
That is the question.
One more bite.
Appreciate you giving me a sandwich. That's enough, that's enough. Cause you trying to snickle it do some other shit. I'm not having none of that. I'm not having none of that.
Damn. Listen,
What's that one?
this is Popeyes.
You can't, I told you no more switching.
Damn it. What am I finding? What can I say? What kind of this?
What was the last one you didn't say? You didn't say McDonald's.
This is McDonald's then. I know it's not. That's got that Popeyes chicken taste.
Alright, you're all set, sir. You wanna know how well you did?
We'll see at the end. We'll see at the
You wanna
end.
see at the end?
Yeah.
Let's see though. I used to be a big boy. Oh shit.
Alright, blindfolded.
Yeah.
Let's make sure.
What the fuck was that wind? I trust you. You good? It's fucked up because I stopped myself from doing that to you. That's crazy. Yeah, if I open my eyes, it hurts, so I'm not doing that.
Word, I literally had my eyes closed the whole time.
I'm scared. Why is this silent now?
Alright, I'm up, getting it right.
I'm scared, nah. This nigga just did something to my sandwich, y'all. If I don't show up,
Shoot napkin. Alright. First sandwich. There you go.
God, what?
That's number one.
Yes. I wanted to look so bad just now. That's scary. Like, this is actually kind of crazy. I want to give an answer, but let me check something. Popeyes.
Second bite.
That's Popeyes.
Your final guess?
That's it. Bailey and chicken.
Alright. Sandwich number 2. There you go. I'm right next to you, by the way.
Chicken almost killed me. Nigga sat right next to you, by the way. Let me see.
Second bite.
First part. I'm about some purple. They all taste the same.
Word. You see? After the first one, they started just tasting the same.
They all taste the same. I should drink some juice.
Alright. See what it is. Hand it over.
Burger King.
BK.
BK.
Locked it in. Okay. Here's your third sandwich.
I'm saving my switch so it's the end just in case.
No. This is the third sandwich.
Damn, this is crazy. It all tastes the same, boy. I can't see it.
Same reaction I did.
I can't eat this one, boy.
Sheesh.
I can't even eat this one, boy.
Sheesh. So just one bite?
I can't even
Take
eat
a
that
guess.
one bite, man. That's Popeyes, man. I gotta switch.
Take a guess.
I said Popeyes already too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you get some after this one, I can't even eat this one, boy. That's crazy.
Sorry, so you said that one was
Holy,
Popeyes?
that even tastes cooked.
Wow.
That one was Popeyes. Which one did I say at first was Popeyes?
The first sandwich. You said your first guess was Popeyes.
So I say that's McDonald's. Because I can actually eat that. What's the trash at? This right here?
Hold on 1 second. Alright, drop it. Alright, number 4.
Wow, niggas trying to kill me.
Numero. Alright, there you go. Good sir.
What, you gave this shit to me sideways, motherfucker? So what did I said? Mickey D's,
D's,
BK, and Popeyes. So I still got Wendy's and Chick-fil-A. I think this is Wendy's right here.
Let me know.
Hold on.
You let me know, my boy.
I already did my switch too. Fuck.
Use your switch.
I use my fucking switch, nigga. I keep accidentally opening my eyes like when that shit fucking hurt. I'm gonna get one more bite.
One bite.
This is Wendy's.
That's Wendy's.
That second bite told me everything I needed to know.
If you say so, pal.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Alright, the 5th and the final. And you already used your switch.
Oh, don't say that. Like that means something.
There you go, my good sir. Right in your hand.
Oh, this is definitely too Oh, I know that Chick-fil-A brand. Is it the Chick-fil-A brand? I think so. Yeah, I ain't got no switches anyway, so I'll just say that's Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Alright.
That's it, right?
Take off your blindfold.
Oh, yes, sir.
Take off the
That's
blindfold.
Chick-fil-A, right?
Alright. So,
No, it was Wendy's. Oh, that's crazy.
so. It was the second. I'm about to give you the results. Alright, y'all. So the results are in. So my results were I got 2 out of 5 correct, and this guy over here, Black, got 0 out of 5 right.
It doesn't make any sense.
So
He's cheating, y'all. I promise you.
we told y'all wait to the end to see what's about to happen to the loser. So here y'all go. This is for y'all.
This was the punishment. The punishment was coming, right? It's snowing out here, which makes this even perfect. Right? A little bit better, you feel me? You'll see.
Here we go. Someone's looking too.
Yo!
Pot to the face.
To the face. I just throw this shit right back. Oh,
What happens when you lose, my boy?
oh my god.
That's terrible. So what happens when you lose, man? Damn.
This is all getting in my eye.
Yeah. Now you gotta take a couple minutes, wash it off. You'll be alright.
Hey. Oh shit. Look, listen, I'm not losing anymore. I'm letting y'all know right now. I'm taking straight dubs from here on out, alright? Mark my words, alright? Mark my words. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more. Alright, leave a like, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe. Holla at y'all.